Hello student, today I will start the construction part from your board book and the chapter is construction of tangents. And here first I will teach that how to draw any tangent at any point on the circumference of a circle. Here I have taken radius as 5 centimeter. So first I will draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Already I have drawn one line segment, which one is 5 centimeter here. Now choose any point on the circumference. Suppose if I will take this one. Now we know one thing, that all the radii are perpendicular to the tangent at the same point on the circumference. That means if I will draw the radius here, means this one, then the tangent will be here and this tangent is perpendicular to the radius of the circle. So I have to draw one perpendicular at this point on this radius. So how will I draw that? You know already how to draw 90 degree, just like that. So first take an arc, then draw 60 degree, 120 degree. Now just bisect this one. Now if I will join this 2 point, and extend. Now, so here this is the tangent of the circle of radius 5 centimeter. So here if I will write down the name O A B P. Now after that you will write that AB is the tangent at the point P on the circumference of the circle with center O. I am repeating once more. AB is the tangent at the point P of the circle with center O of radius 5 centimeter. Now the next one. Draw a chord PQ of a circle with center O. Draw two tangents at the points P and Q. So for that first I have to draw one circle here. Take any radius. Now it is the center. I will draw one chord. You know already that if you will join any 2 points on the circumference of the circle, you will get one chord from there. So here I have taken AB is one chord of the circle with center O. Now I have to draw two tangents. It is given PQ here, so you have to write PQ. Now you have to draw two tangents, one at the point P, another at the point Q. So first I have to draw the radius for that. For that I will join O and P. OP is one radius and similarly OQ is another one. Now I have to draw one tangent at here at the point P on OP. So I will draw perpendicular on OP. Just like the previous one, you will continue. So I will draw the perpendicular like that. I will join these 2 points actually. Now similarly I will draw this one here. Now then 60, 120, now I will join this one. Now two tangents are here. This one suppose AB and this one is XY. So you will write like that. AB and XY are two tangents at the points P and Q respectively on the circumference of the circle. I am repeating once more. AB and XY are two tangents at the points P and Q respectively on the circumference of the circle with center O.